Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are bringing fairy tale magic to life with a stunning fairy godmother-inspired look from Cinderella. So if you want to create this look in DTI, I'm going to show you the steps, so watch this video until the end. Here, as for the hair, I'm going to just wear one hairstyle, which is from the masculine category. I'm going to put on this hair and color it white like this. Now let's start making the outfit. So first I'm going to just go to the fitting room in here and I'm going to put on this skirt, change the color into this blue color and also the lace. And for the top, I'm going to wear this top in here and toggle it into shirt only. For the bow, I'm going to make it this dark green color, and for the shirt, like this light blue color. Okay, now let's finish the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on this hoodie, change the color into blue, and I'm going to grab this firework and make it looks like wand. And now I'm going to grab this biker short and change the color the same with the skirt to cover up the belly. Now you just need to put on this shoe, change the color into all black, and last one, this sleeves in here. First review, I'm going to make it blue, and the second one, just leave it in pink. And so this is the final look for the fairy godmother in Cinderella. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.